Have you ever went to design your events and you got really bogged down with the totes you had to carry and having to carry all this equipment and your transportation was really just overwhelming? If that was the case, guess what? I have just a solution for you. These canvas tote bags makes transporting your fabric so easy breezy. Anyone can do it. As a matter of fact, take a look at all this fabric behind me. Believe it or not, all those panels fit directly into this bag. Not to mention how durable it is. No rips are in this bag, and the fabric is canvas tote, and it's really lightweight. Like I said, it makes carrying with a breeze. So you can grab one yourself, and you can really eliminate all the overwhelm with transporting your fabric as well, just by clicking the link below.
If you have something specific you'd like me to record, put it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to put it on the schedule.